What if I told you that your heartbreak could lead to the greatest transformation in your life? I know it doesn't feel like that right now, but trust me, heartache is often the spark of the most beautiful growth. So today I'll guide you step by step on how to heal, rebuild, and thrive after a heartbreak. So let's turn your pain into your superpower. Welcome to Wiser with Akshata. I'm your kind host, Akshata, and let's get right into the video. Heartbreak hurts. It is not only emotional, but it feels like physical pain in your heart. Like there's a weight on your chest that won't go away. And let me tell you, what you're feeling is real, but it's also an opportunity, a chance to grow or reflect or become stronger. Firstly, give yourself permission to grieve. Cry as much as you need to. Listen to sad songs or scream into your pillow. Or just sit with your feelings. Let it all out. Because suppressing your emotions won't make them disappear. It only delays the healing. So allow yourself to feel everything, no matter how messy it seems. And this is where your healing journey begins. When you're hurting, it's natural to want to reach out to that person. But acting on those impulses rarely leads to anything good. How many times have you regretted that late night text or calling them in the moment of weakness? So here's what I want you to do. Make a pact with yourself. Promise yourself, promise yourself right now that you won't reach out to them when emotions are high. Instead, create a list of reasons why that person wasn't right for you. Be honest with yourself. Write down everything, every moment that left you feeling unheard, unloved, and unseen. Whenever you feel tempted to contact them, this list is going to help you. This list will remind you why you shouldn't go back to that person and remind yourself why you're choosing to move forward. Just below that list, make another list. This one is going to be the qualities you want in your future partner, the kind of love that you deserve, and use this as a guide to focus on what you want. And remember, before you attract that love into your life, try to become the list of your future partner. You'd want to be the person you want to be with. It makes sense, right? Work on yourself, become that list. Healing from a heartbreak isn't a straight line. One day you might feel you're finally okay, and the next day you'll find yourself crying all over again. That's normal. Emotions come in waves, baby. And the key is to let yourself ride those waves instead of fighting them. And one of the most powerful ways to process these emotions is through creativity. Write in a journal, paint, draw, or even compose a music, write poetry, whatever your jam is. Use your heartbreak as a fuel to create something beautiful because through this you can really let out your feelings and emotions. Journaling in particular can be incredibly therapeutic. Write down your thoughts, your pain, your memory, and even letters to the person you're letting go of. Letters you'll never send. This is a safe space to release everything you'd be holding on. Did you know that heartbreak can create tension in your body? That is why it is so important to move. Physical activity helps in releasing the emotional stress. Whether you're going on a run, practicing yoga, going on a hot girl walk, moving your body makes you feel lighter. Find something that feels good to you. Put on an upbeat playlist and dance like nobody's watching. Or try gentle stretching to remove the stiffness. The goal isn't perfection, it's about creating space for your emotions to flow through you and out of you. Heartbreak gives you something valuable, the time to focus on yourself. This is your time to discover who you are and what makes you happy outside of that relationship. What are your passions? What are the dreams that you've been holding on? Start by reflecting. What did this experience teach you about yourself, about love, and what you want in your future relationships? Write it all down in a journal and use this time to rebuild that relationship with yourself. Explore new hobbies, learn something new, or dive into the podcasts or books that inspire you. The more you invest in yourself, the more empowered you'll feel. We'll not just survive this heartbreak, we are going to convert it into a whole massive glow up. Think of this as your glow up era. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good in yourself. Nourish your body with healthy foods, exercise regularly, and make time for activities that bring you joy. You can even go on solo dates. That is so fun. You get to spend time with yourself, get to know yourself. Definitely give that a try. Honey, you don't have to navigate this all alone. Reach out to the people who care about you, friends, your family, or better, a therapist. Sometimes just talking to someone who listens without judgment can lighten the weight on your heart. If you're someone who finds it hard to open up, start with something small. Share your feelings with one trusted person. Healing is a team effort. The people who care about you would want to be there for you, so let them. Now, let's look at the bigger picture, okay? There are over 7 billion people on this planet. Somewhere out there is someone who will love you, who will give you the world for who you are, the way you want to be loved. They'll give it to you all. But here's the thing, you need to love yourself first. If you don't love yourself, if you're constantly bashing on yourself, blaming yourself, hating yourself, then when that person, your dream ideal person, when they come into your life and they see you just hating on yourself, why would they find you worthy? Firstly, you need to have that self esteem. Firstly, you need to find yourself worthy. Then, after that, even if someone finds you worthy or not, that doesn't matter, okay? You need to give yourself everything first. Take this heartbreak as an opportunity to rebuild your life the way you want. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself, not for someone else, but for yourself. When you're happy, confident, and fulfilled with yourself, right people will naturally gravitate towards you, and you'll not ask, oh, do they like me? No, you will not ask that. Instead, you'll say, do I like them? Are they worthy of being in my life? Because you will know your worth. Heartbreak can feel like the end of the world, but really, it is the beginning. It is the chance to let go of something that wasn't meant for you and open yourself to something better, something more beautiful, something amazing. You never know where life will take you. I see people trying for the bare minimum, and once they have that glow up, once they find that confidence, that self esteem, they be like, how did I settle for bare minimum? How did I settle for something so less when this is what I deserve? Healing from heartbreak isn't easy, but it is possible for you. It is possible for you. One day you'll look back at this chapter and see that this moment led to your greatest growth. Take it one day at a time. Be kind to yourself and trust that you are on the right path. If this message resonated with you, like, subscribe, comment, and follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. Remember that you're not alone. I'm here to support you in every step on your way. If you love this video, you should check out my previous video, which was about the power of your feminine energy. It's all about embracing your inner strength and transforming your life with grace and confidence. Don't miss it. See you later. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Am I forgetting something? You are loved. Bye.